Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, January 21st, 2010. This morning I'd like to go through reading zip files in Smalltalk because zip is one of the more common archiving formats out there across multiple platforms, and it's quite useful to be able to read those file formats and do something with them. So let's say I've got a file here called myui.zip. It's something I created a few weeks ago for Smalltalk Daily where I zipped up the .pcl and .pst file and then pushed them on the server so anybody could download them. Well, what if I wanted to read that stuff in Smalltalk? Well, I go here to the parcel manager. And from here I go down to other libraries, and compression zip is one of them, so I'll go ahead and load that. And if you forget how to do this, it turns out that in the package comment right down here shows you how to do things with it, and that's really where I got this workspace from over here. So first I'm going to do archive, file name, myui.zip, and just go ahead and create the archive in memory. So I'll do it, and then I'm going to get the entries. So let's go ahead and take a look at that with an inspect. And it's going to show me that the first entry is myui.pcl, the second one is myui.pst, and I can ask each one of them for the contents. So I'm going to go to the last one, which is a text file. It's the source code for myui. The other one's binary, so I'm not going to get the contents of that. So let's go ahead and inspect, and it gives me back a byte array. But I could do an as string on this immediately, so let's go ahead and do self as string so that you can see that there's stuff here. So let's do an inspect on that. And sure enough, you can see that it's the XML source code for this package. And that's really all there is to reading zip files into Smalltalk memory. And you can use any number of tools to create zip files. That's obviously stuff that's out there all across every platform, so there's no real need to worry about that. But it's useful to be able to read those in Smalltalk, especially if you're packaging up an application and you'd like to have your code unbundle things itself in addition to whatever it is the installation tools use. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.